What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways to make the rice water treatment. This is the Yao Women's way of making the rice water treatment, and this method is going to be the boiling method. So the first thing you want to do is rinse off your rice. Make sure your rice is nice and clean. After you do that, you go ahead and you add your water to the rice. You're gonna use about 1 cup of rice to 18 ounces of water. And then after you wash your rice, like rubbing it through your fingers, after you washed your rice, you go ahead and you strain out the water from the rice. After you strain the water out from the rice, you're gonna use your citrus peels. You could use grapefruit, you could use orange, and you're gonna bring that to a boil for 10 minutes. You don't want to boil it too much because the water will get low and kind of defeating the purpose if you boil it too much. So you just want to bring it to a boil for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're gonna add it. You're gonna put the water in your jar, and this is what you're gonna leave ferment. You're gonna add some of the peels in there. Note that when you do peel your fruit, you don't want to add too much of the white part of the peel. You just want to have just the peel without the white stuff. Okay. So this is what this one is looking like. They are looking so cute. Okay, so the next method is taking some rice and just letting it sit in a jar. Y'all already know that's not my favorite because I don't like to waste rice. So the third method is to let the water sit in the rice for about 30 minutes to an hour, as long as possible, but not too long because the rice will absorb the water, so you don't want to leave it too long. So half an hour is fine. And then you drain out the rice, you drain out the water, and then you go ahead and you take that water and you ferment it without boiling, and that's it. These are the 3 ways to make rice water treatment. And of course, you can apply the rice water to your hair first and then go ahead and shampoo and condition, or you can shampoo your hair and then apply the rice water, leave it sit on your hair for 30 to 45 minutes, and then rinse it out and then go ahead and condition. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave some links to my rice water playlist, so y'all could definitely go and check that out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.